Today I am going to be working with a Artist Loft Level 3 24 by 24 inch canvas. I have a lot of colors today that are left over that I've had for some time. I actually thought I had started filming this before and I forgot to turn on my camera, so we're going to catch up. Today I have Golden Permanent Violet Dark. I have Amsterdam Titanium White with the Ultra White Satin Enamels from Decoart. I have, let's see here, Amsterdam Prussian Blue. I have Decoart Extreme Sheen 24 Karat Gold. I have Amsterdam Greenish Blue, which is one of my all-time favorites. I have FolkArt Colorshift Purple Flash. No, that's not it. Yes, it is. Purple Flash. I have Jewelescent Hawaiian Blue. I have a mystery green color, which might be some iteration of Decoart Emerald, not sure. I have TLP Indigo Waves, and I have TLP Asparagus. Now, given that I did accidentally not push record when I started this a while ago, which has made for a wonderful start, some of these are thick and some are thin. I thinned them all down to the same consistency with M1. Haven't used it for a long time, don't really remember what it does, but it was on my shelf and I thought, hey, as long as I'm experimenting and doing something fun, let's see what this stuff does. Because I really don't remember. It's really thin, has the consistency of water. My flow extender today is some scrapes from other paintings, and I did go ahead and layer my cup because I thought that I was recording, and I wasn't. So I have painted my sides and edges because this paint is sort of thin. I don't want those edges to like clear up and show through. And my back is taped and push pinned. So let me get these gloves on and we will get on with our business here. Just for funsies. Let's swirl that around a little bit. There we go. And we're going to be doing a straight pour. And we'll see how this turns out. I'm a little scared. That's okay. I'm scared quite a bit of the time. So here we go. Take just about 20 ounces of paint. That is an 18-ounce cup that I just poured. Didn't pour it quite all the way to the end. That should be fine. I don't mind if I have a little bit of negative space. I don't know that I will. So here is our lovely flow extender. Hello, flow.
bold to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for show. Every line designed to let me know. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. When we are together, you're afraid to hold my hand, trying to understand. What if this doesn't go as planned? So you don't know what it means to be loyal and kind. I know that you're not blind. Tell me what is really on your mind. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. Say that you love me. I see them pulling your strings, and you might be seeing things. Yeah. You know I'm real and I'm here. Who cares in a few years? You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you are. So am I. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. So am I. Do you know what love means? This is insane. You're saying things I can't explain. I know where your heart is, where you wanna be. So why do you keep testing me? It just isn't worth my time to try to make you believe me when you don't believe me. This is where I draw the line and pretend that I'm leaving. This is me leaving. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. Hey. I'm taking my toothbrush out does that feel? Tell me how this can't be real. You're talking in riddles, just let it go. And trust me if you love me so. It just isn't worth my time to try to make you believe me when you don't believe me. This is where I draw the line and pretend that I'm leaving. This is me leaving. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. I'll let you win. You're more to me than just a friend. I'm telling you, I'm not doing this again. I'll let you win. I'ma let you win. Yeah. I'll let you win. I'll let you win.
Okay, I'm gonna clean off my sides and edges real good, and then I'll get you down here and we'll look and see what we've got. Okay, because my paints are kind of thin, we're gonna see some jaggedy edges, which generally are not my favorite thing, but I kind of don't mind it too much. And as you see, the gold, instead of staying in lines, has spread itself out, and we have a really kind of spiffy shimmer over the whole shebang here. My colors stayed fairly well. You can see most of them are represented here. I don't generally go for this look with the shimmery gold sort of all through, but I do find that I'm not minding it terribly. The jaggedy lines has mostly to do with the fact that my paints are thin, and thicker paints are easier to control for sure. But I wanted to use some of this stuff up, and I don't hate it. I think it's pretty okay. So here's what we have. It's sort of an exploding nebula kind of craziness. And it was fun, and I enjoyed it.